Buy this dryer for $15, right? We got it plugged in, hit start. Let me show you the problem. It gets hot, the drum doesn't spin. First step, always unplug the device. We're gonna pull out the lint screen. Be especially careful that you don't drop them down here. It's just a pain in the butt to get to. Flathead screwdriver. Usually you can just put your knee into it and pull it and it'll come up. If that doesn't work, put the screwdriver in, twist it a little bit. All right, 5/16 hex head. Take this one out. I use a magnetic head, that way they don't fall out. Take both sides out, right? This is the door switch, all right? This is what I use the flathead for. It's kind of a pain in the butt to pull apart. Stick it in there, pull it apart. All you gotta do is literally pick straight up. Sometimes you have to wiggle a little bit, and then you pull it off. You see all this change here? We'll count it up and I'll show you how much I get. I usually get a load about like this every single time. When you take the door off, this is what connects these two little clips, right? They sit down, this little slot on the door, right, sits right down on top of these two little clips. So that's all that holds it on after you take these two hex heads out. Now we can see right off that something's wrong, because usually this will be sitting straight up. And looky here, we have a broken belt. Just to show you, this is all the change I just pulled out of this dryer, one dryer. Now what I like to do next is take the shop vac, sweep all the dust out. All right, we got her all cleaned up. And here we have a new belt that I had in stock. So the first thing we're gonna do is take this belt. And if you see here, it has teeth. The teeth side are gonna be down. So we're gonna put it around the barrel here. Make sure that it's not all twisted up. And this is the easiest way to pick it up, to move it around, all right? So we pick it up, slide it right through the hole, and make sure the back is in the back. Wiggle it in. The easiest way to start is get the belt lined up. You see our old mark here? We're gonna get the belt lined up there, run it down the sides. Yep. Onto the pulley, and then around. So now we're in business. All right, and now that we're on, so what we're gonna do is make sure that the lip is on the door, right? So we're just gonna shove it in there like this. Now, we're all the way in business. Put in a hole, come over to this side. And we always make sure we have our door switch connected, because this will definitely trick you into thinking it's still broken. Hold the lid down, push it down on the clips. We're gonna put our lint screen back in, plug the machine in, hit start, and then let's check it. Boom!